Hi everyone, welcome to an SMB Solutions Cloud Services tutorial video. This video is for SAP resellers and SMB Solutions partners. If this isn't you, then this may not be the right tutorial video for you. Today we're going to show you how to export a customer database from the CCC and then how to access that exported copy. Previously, partners and resellers would have to submit a support request to the SMB Solutions support team to action, but now we've made it possible for you to do this yourself at any time that suits you best. So let's just go ahead and jump straight into it. You can see here I'm logged into my reseller account in the CCC and I've got my testing database here just to show you what I'm talking about today. So you can see that it's highlighted because it's got that blue color underneath it and the blue box around it. So I'm just going to go ahead and click this yellow export button up the top and continue. So we'll just give that a moment to export. Great, so we can see that that export was successful. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here. I'm already logged into the SMB Solutions web client. So just in case you're not sure where to go for this, you can see the address in the browser up the top here. So that's gateway.smbsolutions.com.au/rdweb/web client, and then I've just logged in using my reseller details. So what I'm going to go to from here is I'm just going to go ahead and open up the File Explorer. And we're going to allow these local resources here. So we'll just give this a moment to connect. Great, so now we've opened up this File Explorer here. So I'm just going to go straight to the address bar up the top, and I'm going to type in the following address. So it's //SMB/PDC/CCC storage /PCTR, and then you should have been given your 3-letter code for your reseller company. If you're not sure what your 3-letter code is, please reach out to the SMB Solutions team. For myself, it's SMB. So I'm going to go ahead and click enter. So you can see here is my database. Okay, so SMB test. I'm going to double click that here, and here it is all zipped up and ready for me to access. Okay, so now there are a few important things to note with the exported databases and their location. We recommend that you move these exports to your local machine or storage device via Dropbox or your preferred transfer method as soon as you export it from the CCC. Now the reason for this is that these folders are monitored quite regularly, and any old files will be cleared to keep the server space free for fast and efficient use for all users. Now another important thing is that only one copy of each backup will be available in this file. So if you export this same database at a later date, it's going to override the previous copy you had sitting there. Unless, of course, you've done what I've just mentioned and you've moved it to your local machine, then it won't really matter what copy it's overridden because you've already got your previous copies that you wanted at a different date. Okay, so of course, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to the SMB Solutions support team. You can also head on over to our website, our YouTube channel for more information and more resources. Thank you for watching today. I hope this video has been very helpful.